So for this week, your pick of the week, AJ, is a name that I believe we've covered on the show a few
Yep.
times over the lifespan, and that's Enphase, ticker symbol NEPH. What's the setup here?
So Enphase is, they're a solar company, but you can see that they've taken a little bit of a hit over the past, 6 weeks. And I'm doing this one, and I didn't get follow through yesterday, like I expected to. So I'm trying to see if I get follow through today. But what this is a swing trade, but a swing trade down. And what I mean here is we've got this downtrend that you can see here. I'm going to zoom in on it. We've got this downtrend, and I'll show you a little bit better by throwing the 30-day simple moving average on this thing. We've got this downtrend. There's the 30-day simple moving average, clearly trending down. But recently, we've had a pop up in price. So you can see here on this overbought, oversold indicator called the Williams percent R, we've gone to an extremely overbought condition. And I'm waiting. I got a signal. Here, I'll show you my swing trading signal. Oop. I got a signal, and I'm getting another signal today that says, hey, this is getting ready to swing down. If we've got validation and follow through on this signal, let's go ahead and short this position. You can either short it by physically shorting the stock, or I'm looking at buying a put option. Buying a put option is analogous to shorting the stock. So I'm looking at I'm on the wrong one. I got my notes right here. I'm looking at the Enphase October 40 put. So the Enphase October 40 put is what I would purchase and then take advantage of this move down.
All right.
I'm excited about that.
Well, that's Enphase, folks. It's interesting to see the three basically days in a row of down signal, up signal, down signal. But I guess that's it trying to figure out what's going to happen next. And so, uh,
And if I get that confirmed and validated down signal, everybody thinks about swing trades like it's going to swing up. This is a case where we've got a textbook set up for it to swing down. Remember, the stocks are all marching to the beat of their own drum right now. The broad market is not giving anybody suggestions on whether you should buy or sell. So this stock pattern is telling people that, hey, I'm going down. I had this little moment of going, kind of pulling up against that downtrend, but now we're going to swing back down to catch up with where we should have been, which, if the downtrend continued, we'd be at 30 now, not at 40. So I'm expecting a swing from 40 to 30. The cool thing is with options, I can profit from that drop in the stock price.